Hurricanes. Oceanic storms consisting of warm, moist air spinning in a cyclone of destruction. Last December, Hurricane Frio devastated the Alaskan coastline. A hurricane like no other that adapted after moving north from the Pacific.
I want to say it was December 11th. All I ever planned on was going hunting with my friend Christian. We were out in the woods with only 2 days worth of food. If it weren't for the deer we got prior to the storm coming, I don't know if we would have survived.
Traditionally, a hurricane is made up of warm water evaporating up into the sky, forming a tropical storm. Hurricane Frio is different because it was so cold, the already existing water vapor in the air froze to form small ice crystals. The ice crystals were heavy, so they lowered in the atmosphere and formed a fog-like hurricane.
The only way I could find to escape the hurricane was to climb a tree. This is how I did it. I just pushed my way through and I made it to the top eventually. Once you get about this high up, you're safe from the hurricane. Because it's a cold weather hurricane, the hurricane stays lower to the ground.
As you know, I'm the property owner. We had a dreadful loss of a bunch of trees. We lost about, I want to say, 36,000 trees. This is one of them. All these little trees you see were planted within the last year. That one was from the hurricane. That big tree, that's my Christmas tree next year. Those three, some of the only to survive over there, which was amazing because that's my Christmas tree next year. I live on a houseboat.
The storm was so devastating because it's a Category 2 hurricane. We are very lucky we survived, considering the tree can get uprooted at wind speeds of just 85 miles per hour. A Category 2 hurricane has wind speeds of 96 and up to 110 miles per hour.
We're gonna have a bonfire. It's gonna be big.
The storm originally formed in the Pacific Ocean, then it moved roughly 150 miles north to the Alaskan coastline.
So as you can see that tree up there, that's the tree that I actually climbed in order to survive the hurricane. It's one of the only trees that actually made it out of the hurricane and didn't fall over.
That last one was an example.
Yeah.
A whole bunch of trees got lost during the hurricane. Our elms.
Alaska is dangerous enough without adding hurricanes into the mix. Thank you for watching Chasing Frio.
Sorry.